Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to this new episode. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up your Telegram account using an email ID. So without any further ado guys, let's aim this tutorial. So before we proceed any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that you check that video description for important links mentioned in this video. So the first thing that you want to do is to download and install the Telegram application. If you already have the application, you just click on it to open it just as so. And now we have to add an account. Okay, then we add an account to this application. Now you have to enter your phone number. One thing you need to know is you can't actually create a Telegram account without using a phone number at the base, but after creating this phone number, after adding this phone number, you will be allowed to add in an email address that you next use to log into your Telegram application when next you don't want to use the phone number for it. Okay, and this can be very handy, especially if you lost your phone number, and be very useful to receive security codes and login codes. So what you want to do is to enter your phone number. If you don't want to use your phone number, I've provided guides in the video description showing you how to get virtual phone numbers that you can actually use for Telegram, so check it out. So after entering your phone number, just click on the continue button and confirm that this number is your number. Now you have to enter a login email. As I said earlier, this email address is going to be used to protect your account and to receive security codes or login codes upon a next login attempt. So what you want to do is just enter your email address and then you click on the continue button. Okay, now you'll be sent the verification code that you have to enter in this application. Just check your email box. If you don't see it in your email box, you can check your spam folder. Just enter it as so. So after entering and confirming your email address, you should be taken to the account. Okay, you should be taken to your newly created Telegram account. So that is just how you get to create a Telegram account using your email ID. As I said before, you need a number beforehand just so you can prove to Telegram that you have a messaging number. Okay, and once you've entered the number, you can then use your email address to log in whenever you want. Next time you want to log into the Telegram application, you won't most likely be required to use your phone number. You can actually use your email address to log in or to receive a verification code or to receive a reset code in case you've forgotten or you can't access your mobile number. So guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and tap the notification bell below to not miss my upcoming content. I'll catch you in the next episode.